Lord has made. Let us rejoice. This is Jamaica Good Life. The Almighty has blessed us with sunshine and wood and water and trees and beautiful ladies. I'm an old spirit, you know, I have an old soul. I'm some old spirit living on me. Sometimes they want to come out. Yeah, man, look here. Whoa, me say what a land pretty. Missus? Look here, sir. Look at the people in the little shop with them little shop.
I'm tired, man.
You mean go up at the top there? New road, Westmoreland. If I watch a car up on the road there, no car, one slip down there, so
Gone.
it is OVER. Yes, people. This is your Jamaica. I St. Mary, I want to reach next, you know. A long time I forgot St. Mary, you know.
From about 11 I go St. Mary, you know, go back up there again.
Yeah. I sent on me for reach, so. Me there too long, I'm on the way, you know, so is it? You know, keep pulling me back. Hey, Randy, come on over. Hey, Randy, coming over. He said, I have to go. Hey, Randy, come on over. We're having dinner. What are you doing Sunday? Trying to go to St. Anne's? No, come on over. We have chicken. Okay. So that's why people, that's why I'm going to read St. Anne's, you know, because Gaza and them from my house are cook. And when them cook, you know, I don't have to be there. And then Gaza just skinning teeth when him see I hog down the food. And all he must say to himself, me catch the little dirty craven boy. The food good, man, you know, good, man, I don't want to do, but want to put ginger on the rice, right?
Yeah.
Catching up on that. So Westmoreland over there now.
Yeah.
Up on the ride, man, easy and nice and easy. Look, and you know one thing I noticed about Jamaica, it'll get cleaner, you know. It's clean, you know.
From the curfew.
Why is it?
Curfew is clean.
Because people know they're on.
Feel the breeze, you feel the good vibes through the breeze.
So great Sunday drive. I would do this again in a you know, because the drive easy, you know what I'm saying? No huckling. Fans. On the road they have to know what you're doing, no, brother. Easy, no, brother. Kids are walking. Beautiful ladies. Yes, big up to a pretty family, man called English. I know I say I watch it. I'm gonna big up some other people now. Enough people watch, man called Berlin. Jatore, man called Beanie. Trusty, Nadisha, man called Blacker, man called Mikey. The Jamaica Good Life Farmers family, Swayze and Jada and Yakima. Look at Jada.
Eccleston, don't feel left out.
Eccleston.
Don't feel left out, bro.
Eccleston. Big up some people, Gaza.
Big up all the real tuning people then. Big up the Whyte family.
And your mother, Swayze, tell her I'm gonna do the video soon. I'm just busy. And Miss Donna Foster, season greetings.
Black.
Spa Utopia to get your nails down in Mandeville. Blacker, the man of them said, Uncle Colin. Big up to Villetta and Villetta. Hey, Villetta father, I know say you watch the thing now. Where the food there? Alright, Miss Ogo. You see how Jamaica people nice. Every time you pass, people just yell out, where the peas and rice?
There.
You know, saying in Manchester, them say, hog on goat when you pass on the truck. Jamaica, that's the thing with Jamaica, you know. You just have to scream. You just have to talk up the thing, them say in a West. Pokey say, talk up the thing. You see me? We might go Negril and meet Pokey. Alright?
No problem.
You want to eat some wicked pork? Okay. I'm going to introduce you to the original Jamaica Good Life people. Pokey. When she see me, you see me? We're not going to eat some real pork, so if we make it for go, then we'll just tell our Pokey, buy some pork, we're coming. So, this is a beautiful, exciting, life, That's why we do this, man, because enough people miss Jamaica, them the UK right now, them stressed out. So when them see the thing, them say, say, there's hope in going back home. Some people don't come back home for 50 years. We talk to a woman, she said, no, sir, she don't like Jamaica. But she watched this thing. There's some nice views over here. You go. See, man, just blow to people and I know them, and the people so friendly and nice. This is one of my favorite views. It's picturesque. I'm gonna take a picture. I wrote you pulling up and look at the nice little house. And them place I'm gonna live,
You have to see KFC and Burger King and Pizza Hut.
You can't live in a country like this. Look at the night. You can't manage that view here. I like the peace and tranquility. You also in the city. Come for food, yes. And tell the place I'm gonna live. Mix some domino and drink some white rum. Play some music and see the girl and get, Alright. Yeah, man, Bogo. Oh, boy. I don't know you, but it's good. Good. Yes, brother. Free planting right at the side and just pick up planting, green planting. You know, like the bush, Swayze. Coaster. No service? I forget the videos them local, man. You know, Netflix, you can't download the videos them. Yo.
Yeah.
You know, when people carry broke down, one thing with Jamaicans and they're helpful with each other. One thing I know about this country. They will help you when you broke down, man. Everybody wants to figure it out, Why you on the road? one on and out when I deal with some of them road. I can't drive with two on and out cars. Too much work. Yeah, man, you have to just. And one on me drive throughout Jamaica, you know, it's easier because a lot of winding roads. No, sir. Oh, look at that. Good man. Professional multitasker. Yeah. Pull it up! Whoa, magic root! I go Montego Bay for my birthday! Whoa! Jamaica Good Life! Show them the view! Pull it up! What's up, I told you, man? Yes, you came up. Jada Monk's head there. Drink for the thing. Happy birthday, sweetie. Mr. Pull it up again. Happy birthday, sweetie. If I'm on a Monday, we find me a road. How we gonna go? If me get cold, I'm in a camp with me and change me cold. We live in a slackness time and we tired. We are one and everybody keep quiet. Him and a rule and nobody now riot. Judge over son, why you take like a liar? How we gonna go? In a big gun. If I teach a constant, but let me son. How we gonna go? That's all the gun. Rasta no pasta, them boy they a ton. How we gonna go? In a big roll. If a boy am on, let me fight the hole. How we gonna go? If they get cool, I'm in a stop till they got change the goal. I wanted to call for Jacqueline, but me have to drop for my rubber. You think that you know give a bud with doll, but if you ever hear how much game, a call. Hey, she have Peter Parker, she there with Saul. She all of a married man who over with all.
Oh, the road, long journey.
What happened?
Oh.
You don't feel good, Susan? You don't feel good? Throw?
I'm not sure, but you can't see, but it's in the
I don't like the you have to take time. You need to eat? You look a little afraid, like if touch it. Mosquito water. Mosquito going on your belly, and you feel, you feel. And you start bend up. And then you start run belly. Why not belly? About 10 mosquito larvae in your belly after you drink the water. So once you pass through that, another phase. Then put the leaf in the tank water. Drink it. Everything we drink when we lick up. You see me? All the little helicopter fly them too. Them dropping in the tank too. You know them little helicopter fly there, right? Everything in the tank, every leaf. Eh? A true man, me grew up tough. Them not dropping in the tank and bust me too. What you say? Me dangerous man, I'm afraid of me man. Afraid. When me I come them part the way like a red sea. And come out of my way. All the red ants them run for the tree. Now when we look over your sweet ants. Alright people, look on the view. Beautiful, yeah? You know, ants, you better put on your pants and run. Randy's coming.
Randy,
you know the story about the monster. When I don't read a storybook about the monster. No, I think that people are afraid of dirt and insects, but we must coexist with them. You must eat some red ants more time, man. Them kind of bitter. The bitter and the red ants, them good for you. Cleanse you out. If you don't know bitters, just go get a couple of, you never see baby eat ants yet. Ants, mommy. And the black ants we used to love eat. That's why we know say we're bad man, you know. And bad. The ants them bite in your mouth. Swell up your mouth. You have to go through training in St. Mary. I'll watch them tear off the body. And them things that make me immune to poison. What's body? And my brother used to compete. You eat a bees, meat a was. We catch them and eat them. Push out your tongue and say, ha! I'm a bad man. I eat was. No. I didn't eat any was, guys. Nor did I eat any red hands. I was just exaggeration. This is Jamaica Good Life. But if I had to eat it, I wouldn't have no money, so. What is the hungriest you've ever been in life, Gaza?
Can I recall it? Let's find some meat. Let's find some meat.
But Jada said friend was so hungry, she did what? She
I'm going to heal them college with hungry till me use toothpaste mixed cornflakes.
Toothpaste mixed cornflakes?
Yeah.
That was the red ants. What do you eat toothpaste mixed cornflakes? Yo, a drugs that.
Oh my God, I lick your dog lick. Joan, see what's I tell about her.
Me mind my business, me not fast not people business. So you said toothpaste cornflakes.
Yeah.
That's poverty, bro.
But one go heal them when they go to school.
At least we have toothpaste, you're right.
I know we have a boarding school.
Boarding school, you were rich, bro. Who goes to boarding school in the ghetto?
A lot of us.
You see, how can you be turn to be a bad man at a boarding school you did go?
Life is a journey, Randy.
So you left boarding school and go to the streets. How did that happen?
Grew up in the street, Randy.
But you went to boarding school?
Yeah.
And he also got a scholarship to go to runaway school and he said,
Trina got a scholarship to go somewhere and then not on the street. So him run away on the street.
No, we get you with them time, Randy. So we have to work.
the liar.
Randy?
And because the youth, you had
The
to.
youth, you know, we have to do it. Right?
Said he's not going back to
Him not go school, what?
No boarding with no man.
Him not go board you with no man.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go to school and tell me you are down with males. You have female up at the top. So you want to make the difference. I get you. Jake one enter the world that time.
Okay.
Yep.
Well, we're going to put that on film. I work, me, I work. Haven't I? Wait them, man. Then I thought this. I lift him up in a party and I dance. Rock my baby in the treetop. When the beat turn on, Cernard will drop. In my Playberry's Hammond, the your toe. Look on Cernard, a little baby, boo. Yo, Cernard, you know to make woman lift you up in a party and dance with your brother. Stay in your lane, brother.
What's that lane? Short people lane?
Just people with your size. You know, the lieutenant sister say, young boy, we're your size. You must date your size, man. You're not a big woman that lift you up and treat you like you're a baby.
I am a baby.
Sure not. I could stand sure not make woman that lift him up and dance. Tell the story, Swizzy.
I don't know. That part.
You remember what part?
When he said he was there and they were dancing, whatever, and they just lift him up. You just feel somebody just lift him up.
Eh?
And start dancing.
Feet off the ground, sure not?
Round.
For a woman?
Jen, Randy, she's taller than me.
She taller than we.
Taller than you too, Randy.
And me too?
Yeah?
And she lift you up, brother?
Yeah?
How did you feel up high in the air?
Feel great.
You probably felt like you could fly. Sure enough, I sing, I believe I can fly. But it's a big girl with big thighs lifting you up.
Yeah.
Yo, me like that place, you know, it look like a private place that, you know. A private place that, you know. We're heading into Mopey right now.
You're going to Mopey.
Yeah man, it's gonna be a nice thing. We have to go deal with it right and live it up and live it up. Yes, everybody, give it up, give it up. The first thing we're gonna do, what time is it now?
Tommy. 10 to 6.
10 to 6, wow. We made good timing. Oh, look at that, people. We have,
That's so beautiful. Jada,
we
take out your
have
phone.
7 minutes to Montego Bay.
Jada, take out the
Wow,
phone.
that's the view, guys. Montego Bay. Come on to Bush. Montego Bay.
You know what?
Daddy gonna take a picture. Take out the phone, yak.
No, yes. We're coming to Montego Bay now. Ronnie. Oh, this is your captain speaking. We have an estimated 6-minute arrival, Montego Bay. Yes, look at Montego Bay. A lot of the
Look at that.
You know, say Israel take out your so too.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. I
I saw them do that job on there.
No, we are picking at the car in the Barcelona.
Yeah.
Oh, that one you want to race me? Eh? You want to look on me? You know, so me have I'm doing thing, man. Animal Farm. We have the Saxon International Airport, Montego Bay. Hope we're Lucy that way and Negril that way. Israel Tech, retail outlet this way. Israel Tech for the water thing, you know. Alright, me never know, no cut me off. I don't mind. Selling luxury homes lot.
Yep. Really? Just see the sign on it.
Him coming close, right? Unnecessarily, I swear to you. Them are going, look on them. Yes, I take my time, yeah. Unnecessary.
Yes, this is a bus stop, right?
This road that we're going on, it reminds me
Look at the housing scheme in Montego Bay. Look on them houses in Montego Bay.
Daddy gonna take a picture. You take out the phone, yak.
Yes. We're coming to Montego Bay now, Raleigh. Oh, this is your captain speaking. We have an estimated 6-minute arrival Montego Bay. Yes, look at Montego
beautiful,
Bay.
so beautiful.
A lot of
it's one of the
these.
great parishes in Jamaica. Look at that.
So
Turn
beautiful.
right onto Boat Road. That. It's pictures that came on a picture. Australia.
You know, it's easier to take home gas something.
I saw them do that drive on them.
No, we have picked in at the car in the bus now.
Oh, yeah? No, I said he wanted to try something.
Oh, that one you want to race me?
They might have fun with each other.
You want to come me? You know something else?
BTS.
Animal Farm. We have the Saxon International Airport. Montego Bay.
Mountains. That's where we're going from?
Hopewell, Lucy that way, and Negril that way.
Mountains away from
Israel Tech.
Yeah.
Retail outlet this way. Israel Tech for the water thing, you know. Alright, me never gonna cut me off. Me don't mind. Selling luxury homes lot.
So where's the animal farm? What we passing?
Yep.
Or far back or something?
Not really.
So you never show me that.
Just see the sign, darling.
Whoa!
You're coming close, right?
It's gonna hit me.
Unnecessarily, I swear to you. Them I go look on them. Just I take my time, you know. Unnecessary.
You know, you see this is a bus stop, okay?
This road that we're going on, it reminds me of...
Look at the housing scheme in Montego Bay. Look on them house there up on top of the hill.
I don't like the uptight life. Up there? Indian house. In Mexico too.
We need to go on a cruise.
We on a cruise now.
I mean, one on the water.
Okay. We can drive in the water. The bus can swim. No, Randy, you know the bus can swim.
I don't need to go on Titanic. I want to go one river. I just want to go out there. I want to feel like everybody else. Party on the sea. I go to the bar, fun restaurants. I want to
Give the Almighty thanks for bringing us here so nice and safe. Like Buddha in a glass case.
Going into town, Baytown.
What time is curfew?
8.
I'm just gonna show you guys the mall area. We're not going too far. We're going over there. What's your step for? Daddy and son, yeah. Jamaica, you see how quick we reach? And this is 2.5 hours away from Mandeville. And this is the Montego Bay for Jamaica Good Life. So in no time, we changed the scene, right? And we're at Pier 1. We made our reservations. This is Jamaica Good Life, finally. Gaza is taking a little vacation break. How you like it?
Love.
Relaxing.
Free mind.
Different atmosphere.
Yeah.
No stress.
We've worked for a while.
Yes. So big up Ekostan, because you know once him come, right.
Big up family Crystal. Hallelujah.
You know say I'm gonna come talk up the thing around here, so I like it here. Even in Corona, Jamaicans are living an amazing life. Gaza, this is what I tell you about life. It's all about timing. What time is it now? 6 something to drive to Montego Bay from 3 p.m.
3 p.m.
from Manchester, Mandeville, and take with time and drive and catch the sunset on the water.
Beautiful sunset.
Right at 6 at Pier 1. So that's Jamaica Good Life when you catch the sun going down. You see that, brother? That's what we live for. to check out the sunset. Yes, people. See them there? So make them catch this. We'll make you stand up here and take a picture. Guys, we caught the sunset. Stand up over there so you could take a picture.
Come soon. Come join. Come in front.
Oh, come on, come on. No, 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 no. It's kind of dark as sunset. Come over here.
Where's that?
Sorry.
Since love, we're back on it. Pizza to the beach today. It's pizza to the beach. Gaza, how you feeling?
Feeling great.
Feeling great?
Yeah.
You have palm trees here. You're living your best life. You're going
Jamaica
to
Good Life.
You're going to the beach. Pizza to the beach with the family. Yes, there's some nice houses around here and some for sale. So when I get a chance, I'll pass through. It is in Montego Bay. That's what you're gonna know. And people say Jamaica is a bad place, but that's not how it goes. Everybody's living. Lawns are nicely cut. You know, I said Dutch pot a bubble right now with curry chicken. So one of the things that Jamaica, we can't live there. I think okay. So wanna keep follow. What I need to do is understand. I'm gonna take on a tour and show you how amazing people are living in Jamaica with them house and thing and safety and them security. But today is Today is pizza to the beach. We're going to the beach in Montego Bay, 10 minutes away, and it's $600 per person to get in the beach. And you go to the supermarket, you get a bottle of rum, and you get the true juice, and you have the cup in the cup them in there, guys. Cup, and then you get your igloo with some ice. You get some watermelon with a knife. Do you have a knife, Gaza?
Yeah.
You have a knife, watermelon, an igloo with some ice, and everything is nice. Go on, Swayze.
Jamaica Good Life.
Jamaica Good Life. Now we're going to the supermarket, alright? We'll see you later. Jamaica Good Life. Here we are. We're going to go to the supermarket in Montego Bay and show you how these people are living. This is this place.